So here we're going to multiply out triple brackets. I'd always just start with the first two and do your ordinary FOIL expansion to simplify, and then multiply it by the third bracket. So here we go, and we're going to do x plus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 3. And first, isn't it? So it's going to be 2x squared, two of them. And then we're going to have 3x, the outer ones, and then the inner ones, 4x. And the last's up 6. Don't write 5, okay? It's 3 times by 2. Okay, then we're going to simplify that. And now I'm going to multiply what I've got so far with the third linear factor, x minus 7. Okay, and that's nice because I multiply through by x, I'm just going to get 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 6x. And now I'm going to multiply through by minus 7, but look how I line it up. I'm going to keep the x squared with the x squared, so minus 14x squared minus 49x and 6 minus 42. If I add those together, I'm going to get my final answer, which is 2x cubed minus 7x squared. What's that going to be? Minus 43x, I believe. Yeah, minus 49 plus 6 is minus 43x minus 42. And that, I believe, is 3 marks. Right, so let's move down to the second part. We've got to rearrange this equation. This is an equation, because it's got an equal sign in it. And we're going to multiply by the denominators. That's always a good trick to start off with because it gets rid of the fraction. And it means I can start to think about how am I going to get the m's grouped together. So if I expand that bracket, I can see I've got an m on both sides. That's no good. So I'm going to take the m from the right hand side and move it to the left hand side. So that's going to become minus m squared, and I'm going to I'm going to move that minus p squared y to the other side. Let's change sign, of course. Now if I factorise out the m, I feel like I'm making headway now. And if I divide by that bracket, I'm going to get m by itself. So I'm going to get x plus p squared over y over 2p squared minus 1. And that, I think, is the answer. So here's the examiner's report. Please do pause, have a check, and then we'll see if we get the right answers. I would say that the second part question seems to happen every single GCSE. They seem to have questions very similar to that. Yep, so I think we're going quite well.